Yo, guys, fill this to the brim. Me and Spark Monkey are gonna sell this. So, let's see.
We still have a lot more eggs over there. We have a lot more eggs over there.
Yeah, do the honors for this one.
Monkey.
How much money we getting?
Oh my god.
35K ain't that much, bro. We gotta get more.
Yeah, bro.
I'm kind of too rich for my own good, guys.
How much money do you have?
I have 14 mil. Actually, I think I might have 15 now.
Wait, can I see, bro? Can I see?
I have 14.82 mil.
It even says M on it, bro. I've never seen that. I'm broke. I'm a broke boy now.
Well, not really. You do now have $35,000, so.
Oh yeah, I have a lot more stuff that we can sell.
After you get those in, we gotta put this. We gotta shove this egg in here. Hold on. Well, I'm selling this, okay? Yo, guys, how much do you think we're gonna get from this total? Yeah. Fill this the rest of the way. We need to fill it.
I have a lot more stuff.
Yeah, spew it all out. For some reason, I'm a little like brick heck for some reason because when I talk, sometimes I repeat it after myself. It's weird. Are you sure you want to sell those?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna sell these eggs, okay?
Get some hot guns.
Oh, yo! Oh, yo! I've just seen one tiny one go up here, guys. If we can find it. How far up did this thing go? Okay, I'm fighting for. Ain't nobody.
There's one more.
Yeah, it went flying straight up. I have no idea where it is.
Okay. I have more stuff.
Okay. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. Obviously, we're gonna sell a lot more, but that's it for this video. Bye.